Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn down, turn down. Alright, listen. Alright, welcome again to MG Sports TV, people. Hopefully guys, this load, man. Yeah, it's down to normal. Hopefully guys are doing good and everything is okay. Let me just adjust the mic volume. It's a bit loud. Yeah. So Ethan Pinnock has signed a new long-term deal with Brentford. Actually, Ethan Pinnock turned 30 today. 30. Ooh. Boy. That's in the high percentile. That's in the high percentile age bracket, people. Quite high. But certainly, as a centre back, centre back can go up to 34, 35 at the elite level. So certainly, that's one to look for. Alright, so let's get to the meat of the matter. What I want you guys to do first is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, do that good thing and also share it. Share it, like, or subscribe it. Subscribe it, share it, like it. Alright, so a little shout out to our channel members, two patrons, Raymond Austin, Ravon Bennett, Original Zilla, Jermaine Suibe, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marsden Rickis, Jamil Winter, Roko Reacts, Devon Hughes, and D. Ellis Word. My respect to you guys really help the program to continue and keep me going. Yeah, so here we go now. Let's get into the meat of the matter. We're not going to waste any more time here. So as you can see, Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock signs new deal with Brentford Football Club. Wonderful season for Ethan Pinnock and Brentford as they complete this season by doing the double over Manchester City. Really interesting stuff here, people. Alright, so let's get into the meat of the matter. Where is the article? Where is the article? Come on. Oh, good. We're here. All right, so this is what it said. First team, 27th of May, 2023. So that's Pinnock signs new Brentford deal. Ethan Pinnock has put pen to paper on a 4-year contract. The centre-back has made 153 appearances for the Bees since joining from Barnsley in 2019. Thomas Frank, this is what Thomas Frank. Ethan has been a mountain for us. So this is what he said now. The centre-back, I just read that. The centre-back has made 153 appearances for the Bees since joining from Barnsley. He has scored 7 goals during his 4th season with the club. Most recently, finding the back of the net, netting Brentford during Brentford 3-3 draw with Brighton, Hove Albion in April. This is great news for Brenton. I am incredibly pleased that we have Ethan with us for more years. I am sure fans are delighted, said head coach Thomas Frank. Ethan has been a mountain in defense for us for the last 4 years. He had played a key role in our journey to the top half of the Premier League. He's a top player and a great person. He has stepped up seamlessly in the Premier League and it is an amazing story for him and for football. And he can progress from non-league football to the top of the game so quickly. He has proven himself to be a typical Brentford signing. He meets every challenge he faces and we think there is still more development for him. His impact in both boxes has been very important for us. He's superb defensively in the air and on the ground and plays a key role in our set pieces. I think we'll see even more goals from him next season. Ethan has been so reliable and consistent for us and I'm sure that will continue. He will be spending the prime years of his career with us and we look forward to him helping the team to be successful in the coming season. So let's just this is some feedback on Ethan Pinnock on his career path. So Ethan Pinnock began his career at Dulwich Hamlet in 2010 and progressed up to the non-league ladder with a move to National League side Forest Green Rovers in 2016. He won promotion to the EFL during his first season with the club, which led to a move to the Championship side Barnsley ahead of the 2017-2018 campaign. The Jamaican international was 6 caps for the Reggae Boyz, played 67 times for Barnsley before signing for Brentford in 2019. Pinnock played a key role in the Bees' 2020-21 promotion winning campaign and has continued to impress during the club's 2 seasons in top flight, making 61 appearances in the Premier League. No, that's actually a lot. I never realized how much games he played. 61 appearances in 2 seasons. I think 2 seasons. 76. I think 76 is the maximum game for 2 seasons. Ooh, we are do. Little lighting, yeah. Yeah, 76, and so he only missed 15 games in 2 seasons. Actually, that's a lot of minutes. That's a lot. I mean, a lot of minutes. No, that shows his resilience. That shows his fitness level, and his durability, which means that he's not injured often. And for you to continue to do that, come on. And week in, week out, we see Ethan Pinnock performing at a high level, at exceptional level for Brentford. And this new deal is certainly warranted. As you can see, if you look at the social media response from the fans, they have been pleased about Ethan Pinnock's performance. He has had a tremendous season. And I personally think that Ethan Pinnock is, at this moment, our best Reggae Boy player. I think so. He's our best, and this light are gonna make me one bad night players. He's our best Reggae Boy player, and certainly he's one of the most consistent at such a high level. And it's a deal well deserved. That will take him up until 34 years old. Definitely 2027. That's 34. It's 2027. Yeah, 4-year contract. Maybe he's already on one. That's taking him up until he's 34 years old, and certainly at this present moment he has been look so worthy of that money. I'm hopeful that he can continue on the same level and the same path, and definitely a strong Ethan Pinnock, a good Ethan Pinnock, a high performing Ethan Pinnock is brilliant news for us. It means that we're gonna have him at his high level. So hopefully we'll see what he brings that form back to the Gold Cup, so we can sort out USA. Just hopefully. Certainly this one we'll look at. So guys, this is just information that I wanted to pass. Ethan Pinnock signing a new deal with Brentford Football Club, and also Brentford doing the double, with Ethan Pinnock and Brentford doing the double over Manchester City this season. Bless up Ethan Pinnock, and also happy birthday to you. Well deserved. Bless up, my respect. Big up people. Anyways, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. This has been a good one. MG Sports TV people. And we are out. Music. Give me something. Yeah.